Okay, so we're back here at Andrew's place. How long has it been since we put this down?
10 days.
Okay, so 10 days. It looked better than this. I'll put a little screenshot up of what it actually looked like. Can you tell us what you've done here, Andrew?
I scalped it down just to find the low spots and the high spots, and then we'll be top dressing it as well, just to get it all level so I can mow it with a cylinder mower.
Okay, and can I ask, just for everyone playing at home, would you usually do this with new turf?
No.
No, okay. So why are you doing it?
Well, we come to the end of our growing season at the moment, and I want to have some fun with the grass as well and see if I can push it. And
what it can handle?
Yeah, the grass was rooted down in 3-4 days and the slabs couldn't be lifted.
Yeah.
And so I thought, why not go for it?
All right, cool. So the main areas I think we're focusing on are up towards the footpath, because cutting with the cylinder, you want to just be able to sort of go over the top. Yep. There's some high spots that we need to look out for, so we'll show you a couple of techniques with top dressing. Just quickly, we got, what, 2 cubes of top dress from?
Centenary Landscape Supplies.
What's the product called? It's a new one, right?
It's a new one, yeah. They're Fairway Pro Max, and it's a USGA blend with their special amendments put in with it.
Fancy. So I haven't used this one yet. I'm really, really keen, but massive shout out to the guys at Centenary. They support Queensland Lawnies all the time. And again, happy to support those who support us. So let's get into it.
Let's do it.
Yeah, I'm sick, so I'll just watch. No, I'm kidding. Okay, so talk us through what's the plan for the distribution.
On that side, on the high spots, just be the old lawn tips flick with a shovel.
Yeah.
And a thick coating on this side to bring this up.
Yeah, right.
As well.
So let's see if that shows up on camera. There's a pretty substantial drop off there. So got to bring that right up, and in some areas we're going pretty thick. So need to get this down. Hopefully got some more decent weather coming.
Hope so.
Help
a
it
little
through.
bit of rain.
Yeah. This is thick.
Let's see how helpful grass it is after this.
Yeah. Oh gosh.
Holy.
Here, I'll just pick some and throw it over there. Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, the lawn tips flick.
Hopefully that's on camera. I've got that roller here still as well, so I'll roll this to compact it down a fraction.
Yeah, that's a good idea. All right, so now we've got the lawn tips flick technique, I believe. It's actually really good for distributing the sand over the top. Okay, so top dressing done. Andrew's finishing off the last little bit. So that's been rolled just to compact it a little bit. And then once he waters that in, blades of leaf will be showing back through. But in my opinion, best thing to do is every day or two get out, run your leveler over it again when it's dry of an afternoon, and then you'll get your levels spot on. All right, so as per Andrew's style, it's starting to rain. So talk us through the insurance policy, what you're putting down now to protect your new lawn.
I'm using Ronstar as a pre-emergent. It's safe for fresh turf, where you barricade, Spartan type things. You need to wait to have longer root growth on there for it to work, otherwise you get root pruning. A Celiprin is my grub control, 6 months protection, and soil wetter at the end, just to water it in and get down into the profile further.
All right, cool. So we're pretty much done with the top dressing. What will you do over, say, the next week or two while this comes through?
Level it, water it, and just keep people off it.
Yeah. All right, well, thanks so much, guys, for watching. Massive thank you to Andrew Egan's Greens on Instagram, so make sure you check out his Insta. It's amazing. Huge thank you also to Tahoma 31, to Turfworks,
yep, and
Centenary Landscape Supplies, yep, for the top dress. Really, really appreciate your support, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time on Lawn Care Australia. Always forget to do the outro.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. Like, subscribe, follow.
Oh.